The convergence of operational technology, or OT, and information technology, or IT, is exposing new security vulnerabilities and putting critical infrastructure at risk. This new, evolving OT-IT environment requires a unified security solution to help prevent attacks and breaches. A system crash on a manufacturing floor can stall production for hours and potentially cost a company millions of dollars in ruined product. Cybersecurity outages on an oil rig could jeopardize both human safety and infrastructure. An oil spill from infrastructure damage not only can affect a company's bottom line, it can do serious harm to the environment. Outages affecting transportation companies with large fleets can result in weeks of downtime and hundreds of thousands of dollars lost. Securing these environments can be complicated, but Fortinet can help. Our unified and proactive security approach protects against today's growing threat landscape. The Fortinet Security Fabric is a high-performing, extensively deployed cybersecurity platform that has multiple solutions and technologies working together and sharing intelligence to eliminate security gaps, simplify management, and reduce complexity within OT and IT networks. Powered by FortiOS, the Security Fabric blends enterprise-grade security, self-healing connectivity, application acceleration, and advanced networking. It spans edges, endpoints, and clouds for a broad, integrated, and automated approach to security. FortiOS provides a single pane of glass management framework. The Fortinet Security Fabric helps you understand who and what is on the network for complete visibility. You can read traffic to understand the specific protocols and commands used in OT environments. Multi-factor authentication provides role-based access across the network that is supported by client antivirus and sandboxing. And the continuous behavioral analysis helps you gather true intelligence about users and devices. For OT environments that are exposed to the elements, such as oil rigs, electrical substations, and industrial warehouses, Fortinet also offers ruggedized equipment that is designed to weather even the harshest climates. Backed by continuous threat intelligence from FortiGuard Labs, the Fortinet Security Fabric delivers comprehensive security across OT and IT, providing safe, available, and secure operations everywhere you need it.